Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When elevated pressure is needed to perform a task, High Pressure Equipment Company is on the job. Based in Erie, Pennsylvania, High Pressure Equipment Company, or HIP, manufactures high-pressure valves, fittings, tubing, and related systems. Why do so many businesses across the globe trust HIP? Because their products provide dependable and safe operation at some of the highest pressures and most extreme environments found in the world. HIP's valves and related components are designed to provide leak-free service at pressures ranging from 10,000 to 150,000 psi. For more than 6 decades, ISO 9001 certified HIP has earned their customers' loyalty by providing the highest quality products backed by superior service. When a HIP customer needs a valve or component to keep their production up and running, HIP delivers. The company maintains an extensive inventory with same-day shipping on many orders. Even special orders for custom products have short lead times. In addition to high-pressure valves, HIP offers reactors and pressure vessels, over 250 different types, many ASME certified. They also produce pumping systems with output pressures up to 90,000 psi and hydraulic intensifiers that crank it up to 150,000. HIP is a major player in a number of diverse markets across the world, including water jet, oil and gas, chemical and petrochemical, education, and general industry. Visit the company's website to view their full 125-page product catalog at highpressure.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.